Have you been putting off your roof replacement? We get it. When you need to replace your roof, it can be a stressful process. It's hard to know where to turn, who to trust, and what's the best option for your home or business. We make sure that residential and commercial roofing are done right. Replace your roof with a trusted Windsor, Colorado roofing company. Denny's Roofing is the trusted roofing company in Windsor, Colorado for residential and commercial roofs. We specialize in providing high-quality roofs for homes and businesses in Colorado, and we work hard to make it a stress-free process. When you hire Denny's Roofing in Windsor, you get a team of experienced professionals who are dedicated to providing high-quality roofs for homes and businesses in Colorado. In addition to being a quality contractor, we also pride ourselves on being a good neighbor. That means taking care of our customers with honest evaluations and fair pricing. It also means making sure that your neighbor's property isn't disturbed during the repair or installation process. When you're ready for a new roof, call us first. We'll give you an honest evaluation of your roof's condition and let you know if we find evidence of wind or hail damage. We'll also give you a free estimate, along with a free evaluation of your current roof. And if you need insurance claim assistance, we can help. So if you're looking for a Windsor, Colorado roofing company that will take care of all your needs and make sure that your new roof is installed correctly and with proper materials, give us a call today at 970-545-0099 or schedule an appointment online by visiting our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/Windsor-Roofing-Company. We look forward to helping you with your roofing needs.